SERV stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. SERV Robotics sitting at $14.58, 4.2% off for the day. Looking at SERV, this is how my chart looks like. So first of all, in order for me to be bullish here, I wanted to see the price pull back and give me a double break, and still, like, it's a double break inside a double break that I'm waiting for. We first broke these structures, so that's kind of invalid, and then we looked for a decent double break again, and guess what? The moment I see a second break above this high at 15.18 is the moment that I start taking the prices higher. Anything else that's not going to be that, it's just going to be complete noise for me, and I wouldn't be interested in the price. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and there's really nothing else that I would add here. All I want to see is a break above this point, you know. So I'm not trying to make this thing complicated. It's simpler for me. So don't listen to me, do your own due diligence. If you want to learn the strategy, again, check out the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.